This is the cheapest guest house in the whole of Pai, and we're super centrally located. This is Mr Jan Guesthouse. It's cost me just $8 a night. I cannot wait to show you the bungalow I've got. So let's begin the tour. Right, so here we are. Already, how beautiful is this bungalow from the outside? I just couldn't believe it when I turned up and they walked me towards this. I was like, there's no way I'm getting this for the price I paid. But I am. So what I'll do is I'll show you the front porch. I mean, look at this. How cool is this? Literally, I've got my own little front porch. I've got my chair. I've got my little stool. I've got places to sit and eat and just taking the view, because the view from this way is absolutely stunning. So I'll show you inside and you can check it out. Right, I could literally sit here for hours and enjoy that view and just listen to some music or some podcasts and relax. This alone for me, just to have this private space, is incredible. And this little view I get here, which I'll show you now, is just perfect. I'm so happy with this place already. Right, so here we go, the room tour. Okay, of course it's not going to blow you away. It's going to be quite basic for the price you paid, but the bed looks great. We've got some shelving there, we've got some windows, we've got a fan, which you will probably need if it gets too hot, but it is a little bit cooler in Pai, so it's not too bad. Again, a nice little window overlooking a small garden. I really like the hand towel design. It's like made into a flower, so that's a nice little bonus. They've got some soap and some tissue, toilet paper, sorry, and yeah, it's obviously very basic, but for the price we're paying, I think it's just an absolute steal. And look, we've got some hangers there to put up your coats. I'll give you a different angle of the room and you can check it out. Right, so there's the other angle. Again, not a load to show you. I will show you the bathroom in a second. We do have the Wi-Fi on the wall there, so I will test that out for you. Again, we've got a light above the bed, and we've got some plug sockets by the bed as well, so that's brilliant. What I'll do now is I'll give you the bed test and I'll let you know what we're dealing with. Here we go, the all-important bed test. Okay, so first impressions, a little bit soft, but not too bad. Tell you what, that's actually all right. It is a little bit soft, I'll be honest. Let me just lie down. I hate messing up these little designs they make, I love them. Okay. Yeah, that's all right in all fairness. It is, like I say, a little bit softer than I like, but absolutely, yeah, ideal. So I'm going to give that out of 10, 0 being a cloud and 10 being concrete. I reckon we're at like a 6.3 or 4. So yeah, I'll sleep completely fine on that. Let's test the pillows. Okay, yeah, a little bit sort of lower than I would like, but this one's a little bit better, I suppose. Yeah, that one's a little bit flatter than this one, but again, absolutely nothing to complain about. And the quilt, yeah, not too thick and not too thin. We have like this almost towel on the top, so yeah, a little bit unusual, but again, I'm super happy so far with what we have got for the money we have paid. So what I'll do now is I'll take you into the bathroom and show you what we're dealing with. So we come down some stairs, which is unusual, but again, absolutely nothing wrong with that. So we've got a mirror, obviously the shower, the toilet, the bum squirter. So let's test the pressure of the shower. What are we dealing with? Absolutely fine, does the job. Yeah, good enough for me, happy with that. Okay, let's have a look at the bum squirter pressure. Yeah, again, absolutely perfect, not too crazy. So yeah, obviously there's not a load to show you in here. It serves its purpose, which for me, I'm more than happy with. So what I'll do now is I will go out and explore and enjoy the day as always, and then I'll update you in the morning on how I've slept and a couple of things to do in the area. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning from Pai. So a little bonus that I didn't realise, you get breakfast included. So I've just had my breakfast. They serve it from 7 till 10. And I just had some toast with jam and a banana and a drink. So again, really wasn't expecting that. So that's a lovely little bonus. So how did I sleep? I slept great. Again, it's a little bit softer than I like, but I had a great night's sleep. It's really nice actually, because you get the noises of the birds and the geckos. Some people might not like that, but I love it. So for me, it's really relaxing. Again, the room is very basic, of course, but the Wi-Fi is brilliant. Works perfectly fine. I'll put the speeds here for you. The location is 10 out of 10, honestly. You're talking not even a minute to get to the main street where like all the food stalls are and everything's going on. And again, you just set back from it so that you're not hearing all the noise. So that's an added little extra. The shower I had this morning was really hot. And again, the pressure's not the best, but it does the job. It got me got me clean, so that's the main thing. But yeah, of course, it's a very budget stay. But for me, I think it's just it's amazing value, it really is. And the biggest bonus for me is that little balcony outside where you can enjoy the sunrise, because the sun sets this side. But I will go out there in a minute and show you that. But this has been, this is exactly what I look for in a budget stay. Again, with this being the cheapest place in Pai, I really wasn't expecting too much. I thought it might be a bit of, but it's blown me away. So let's go on to the rating. I'm going to give this place a 9 out of 10. I just think everything included. The woman running it's really lovely as well. You feel really welcome here. The gardens are actually quite beautiful to walk around, so that's a nice little added extra. Just as the whole package included, the location, the price, yeah, the breakfast, I think it's just brilliant. So I am going, yeah, a 9 out of 10, and I can't recommend staying here enough. So what I'll do now is I'll tell you about a couple of things to do in the area, but I'll take you out on a balcony to tell you this bit. What a beautiful spot to do the what to do in Pai section of the video. This is amazing. So what did I do yesterday? I started my day by picking out this cafe I spotted on the side of the road, and I'm so glad I stopped because the family running it were really, really lovely. Come speaking to me, asking me loads of questions, making me feel super welcome. And on top of that, the food was great, the view was incredible. So I would highly recommend visiting. I'll put the name of this place below so you can check it out if you want to. Then I also stumbled across 2 elephants by the side of the road, as you do in Thailand. And I fed them for 50 baht, a bucket of like bananas and other things. So the name of this place was in the signpost as I was filming, I remember. So if you want to check that out, that is there. So the 3 main things I did yesterday was I went to see this bamboo bridge. It's quite famous in Pai. So I went there, and it's known for its rice fields being lush and green, but we're in dry season, so it wasn't, but it was still super beautiful. And I'll show you some videos of that. And within the area, there was a cafe which I visited, and it was 10 out of 10. I had a banana smoothie. The views were just incredible, so relaxing. So again, I'll put this in the video so you can check it out if you are interested. Then I went to viewpoint number 1 that I picked out, and stunning. All across Pai, you can see for miles and miles. And yeah, I spent about half an hour there, again, just taking it all in and enjoying the view. But the main, most popular viewpoint was the next one. So again, I can't remember the name, but I will put it below, and you can check it out if you're interested. So it is a bit of a drive. You will have to be on the scooter for perhaps 30 minutes or 40 minutes from Pai to get to it, but I really do highly recommend going. And even just the drive to this viewpoint, it's 10 out of 10. I got a couple of clips of the drive and some of the views around the area on the way. So yeah, just a really, really great day, and so many beautiful spots in Pai. It's such a beautiful place to go and explore, to be honest. It's yeah, it's one of my favorite places in Thailand, so I really do recommend visiting if you get a chance to do so. But I think we'll wrap the video up there. I'm super happy with this stay, and yeah, if you are interested in booking this place, I will try and put the link in the description so you can check it out. But yeah, that's a wrap. So if you like this video, please drop me a like and subscribe, because I'm absolutely loving making these videos. And yeah, if not, then no worries. Hopefully I see you in the next video.